there. The AI system didn't just make one-off optimizations, it continually learned and adapted, making more efficient decisions over time. This means the energy savings and environmental benefits could only increase as the system got smarter. This case study demonstrates the potential of AI in energy optimization. It's not just about saving on energy bills, it's about making our energy consumption more sustainable. By using AI, we can create systems that learn and adapt, optimizing energy use in real time and responding to changes in the environment. And the best part? This technology isn't limited to data centers. It can be applied to any system that consumes energy, from factories to residential homes, potentially revolutionizing our energy consumption patterns. This case study is just a glimpse into the vast potential of AI in revolutionizing our energy consumption patterns. So what's the big deal about AI and energy optimization? Let's rewind a bit and remember the key points. We've discussed the growing concern of escalating energy consumption and the urgent need for more sustainable solutions. Enter AI, a game changer in our quest for energy optimization. Remember the Google case study? AI was instrumental in reducing the energy used for cooling their data centers by a whopping 40%. That's a significant cutback, and it's just the tip of the iceberg. Imagine the potential of AI, not just in big tech companies, but across various sectors worldwide. AI can help us understand energy usage patterns, optimize energy distribution, and even predict future energy needs. These capabilities could lead to substantial reductions in energy usage, helping us build a more sustainable and eco-friendly future. In a world where energy consumption is a pressing issue, AI holds the key to creating a more sustainable and energy-efficient future.